Okay, so we're back again, and this time we're going to talk again about metallic minerals. So if you come take a look at the ones we've got set out, these should have some pretty unique looking characteristics, but again, you always want to be very careful if you're using color to identify a mineral. In the case of this dark mineral, for example, it should be fairly reminiscent of a couple of the ones we've seen. It kind of looks like the dark version of hematite. It kind of looks like magnetite. And, it could also be mistaken for gypsum. I'm sorry, not gypsum, graphite. But if you go through your physical tests, again, you'll see that this is none of those minerals. This particular mineral is called sphalerite. Sphalerite is an ore mineral that contains zinc. Excuse me. Zinc is a very important element to be used in galvanizing. Galvanizing, if you're not sure, is the process of coating a material in zinc so that it doesn't rust. So if you go and buy galvanized nails to build docks or any type of outdoor material, then you're buying zinc-coated nails. Same is true with pennies, which we learned about in the mining lab, that about any pennies that are made after the year 1982 are made of about 97% zinc rather than copper, and the reason was to reduce costs for printing. Even though we do that today, we use zinc, it still costs about 1.5 cents to make each penny. How's that for efficiency? Okay, so if we look at these two minerals, the smoking gun characteristic for sphalerite is its streak. So what I'd like for one of my assistants to do, please, is to take, and those at home watching, is to take your streak plate and get a nice little pile of powder on your streak plate. Now you'll see that this mineral has like a dark, fairly nondescript looking streak. But now what I'd like you to do is take that streak plate and smell it.
Oh, I'm sick, I can't smell it.
Oh, it smells awful.
What does it smell like?
Sulfur.
Sulfur is the right answer. The chemical formula for sphalerite is zinc sulfur. So as you're scraping on your streak plate, you're liberating the sulfur from that bond, from the zinc and sulfur bond into the atmosphere. So that sulfur smell is the smoking gun characteristic for this particular mineral, sphalerite. Now, the mineral next to it is called chalcopyrite, and chalcopyrite is really a beautiful mineral. It has a very similar color to that of fool's gold, to that of pyrite, but there are some other physical characteristics that differentiate it. Specifically, its crystal form, where pyrite, which is the true fool's gold, has a cubic form. The chalcopyrite has a nondescript form and is just sort of seen as a coating, a gold coating on minerals. This mineral is a very important mineral to get copper from, just as copper, native copper itself, can also be harvested for copper. So those are the physical characteristics, the smoking guns, for these particular minerals.